Let's start with a very common sentence. Listen first. I wake up at 7.
Good. Let's say it again together. Nice job. You can change the time. I wake up at 6. I wake up at 8.
Now listen to this sentence. I get out of bed.
That means you leave your bed. You stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7 and I get out of bed.
Very natural, very real. Next phrase. Listen. I brush my teeth.
We do this every morning. I brush my teeth. Great pronunciation. You're improving already.
Now let's talk about breakfast. I eat breakfast.
Simple and perfect. Listen to this example. My quick breakfast is a banana.
That sounds real, right? Here are more examples. I drink coffee. I drink tea. I drink water.
Good. You can say, I eat breakfast at home. Or, I eat breakfast at work.
Let's put everything together. I wake up at 7. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Excellent. Listen one more time. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. My quick breakfast is a banana. You don't need long sentences. Short sentences are good English.
Let's review today's key phrases. I wake up at. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Amazing work today. Really good job.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
Or answer this. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Write 1 or 2 sentences. That's enough.
Thanks for learning with us today. We're proud of you.
See you next time. Keep practicing English.
See you next time. Keep practicing English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. This is Easy English Practice, where we learn real English step by step.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today. If you're learning English, you're in the right place.
Today's topic is simple and very useful. We're going to talk about your morning.
Yes, your morning routine, the things you do every morning.
Before we start, don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe. It really helps the podcast grow.
All right, get comfortable, take a breath, and let's begin. You're doing great already.